Explore practical AI tools designed to help you work faster, reduce effort, and think creatively using clear guidance, real examples, and workflows built for success. You ever wish you could create animated videos without learning complicated software or spending hours editing? Because I just tried a tool that literally turns your ideas into full animations in minutes. And honestly, I didn't expect it to be this easy. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I tested out Animaker, and if you've ever wanted to create animated videos, explainer content, or even quick social clips, this might actually surprise you. I went through the dashboard, tested a few features, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how it feels to use. So basically, Animaker is an AI-powered video creation platform focused on animation. Instead of editing everything manually, you can generate animations using AI, create infographics as videos, build whiteboard-style explainers, even make quiz-style interactive content. And what stood out immediately is how it's all organized. You're not thrown into a complicated editor. You literally just pick what type of video you want to create. Let's be real, animation is usually a pain. You either learn complex tools, spend hours designing scenes, or struggle to make things look professional. Animaker removes that barrier. It's clearly built for people who want fast, clean, and engaging animated videos without needing advanced editing skills. When I opened the dashboard, it actually felt super beginner-friendly. You've got clear options like AI animation, AI infographic, AI whiteboard, AI quiz, even something called Gen AI for more advanced stuff. And I like that each option explains what it does, or it doesn't feel confusing. There's also templates, blank projects if you want full control, tools like subtitles, voiceovers, and animated slides. It feels like everything you need is just right there. All right, let me break down the features that stood out. 1. AI animation generator. You can create full animated videos just from prompts. That's honestly wild. It cuts down so much manual work. 2. Infographic videos. This is actually cool if you want to turn data or ideas into visual storytelling. Way more engaging than static slides. 3. Whiteboard videos. You know those hand-drawn explainer videos? Yeah, you can make those here without drawing anything yourself. 4. Templates library. There are tons of ready-made templates, so if you don't want to start from scratch, you don't have to. 5. Extra tools. Things like AI subtitles, voiceovers, animated slides. These are small things, but they make the workflow smoother, and honestly, it feels like the platform is designed to save time at every step. Using it feels more like assembling a video than editing one. You're not overwhelmed with timelines and layers right away. You're guided step by step, depending on what you choose, and that's probably the biggest win here. It makes animation feel approachable. Now let's talk pricing, because this is important. From what I saw, basic plan starts around $15 per month, starter is about $25 per month, pro goes up to $43 per month, and there's an enterprise plan with custom pricing. Each tier unlocks more things like longer video duration, more AI generation credits, higher quality exports, more downloads and assets. So it really depends on how much you plan to use it. Overall, Animaker feels like one of those tools that just makes things easier. If you've been thinking about creating animated videos but didn't know where to start, this could be worth trying. Let me know in the comments, would you actually use something like this? And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.